Hello friends, welcome to Gardener Mamata channel. Today we are here to discuss regarding fertilizers which we get from animal sources and plant sources. Animal source materials include both animal manure, residues from the slaughterhouses of animals. Manures are derived from milk producing dairy animals, egg producing poultry, and animals raised for meat and hide production. When any animal is butchered, only 40 to 60% of live animal is converted to market market product, with the remaining 40 to 60% classed as byproducts. These byproducts of animals slaughter, most inedible blood, bone feathers, hides, hoofs, horns, can be refined into agricultural fertilizers, including blood meal, bone meal, fish meal, and feather meal. Coming to chicken litter, which consists of chicken manure mixed with sawdust, is an organic fertilizer that has been proposed to be superior for conditioning soil for the harvest than the synthetic fertilizers. Coming to plant sources, friends, processed organic fertilizers include compost, humic acid, amino acids, and seaweed extracts. Decomposing crop residue, green manure from the prior years is another source of fertility. Algae can be used to capture nitrogen and phosphorus runoff from the agricultural fields and cannot be only prevent water contamination of these fertilizers. Algae turf scrubber. Listen to me once again. Algae turf scrubber was developed and used in researches to reduce nutrient runoff and increase quality of water flowing into the streams, rivers, and lakes. They found that this nutrient-rich algae, once dried, can be used and applied to the seedlings and resulted in the growth comparable to that seen with the synthetic fertilizers, which are manufactured in the industries. Coming to plant manure, friend, you can see cow dung is here with me, and these leaves are here, and orange peel. You can put it directly in the plants which require acidic soil, and you don't remove this litter. This is also important. This releases fertilizers to the plants. This is the powdered form of it, friends. So try to use organic fertilizers and develop your garden in a better way. Thank you very much. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Mamata signing off.